Got a new Xpedition, baby. Oh yeah, you got it. It's gonna do that plenty. All right, you're good. Oh yeah, good, no problem. This is it, 2026 Polaris XP1000 NorthStar Xpedition. Got the winch on there, 4,500 pound winch with synthetic rope with a good hook. You can hook your phone up to it. It's got JBL sound speakers in it, Bluetooth your phone. It's got a backup camera. Man, the good thing about this Xpedition right here is it's, I don't know, it's about 36 degrees out here. It's been raining non-stop. It's stopped a little bit, but it rained, flooded all night. You can see it's muddy out there. Wind's blowing. I think it's supposed to go down to like the 20s tonight, which for us here in Alabama is extremely cold, in case you didn't know. But the good thing about having the Xpedition is you crank it up, you warm it up like your car. Get in this bad boy, man. Got the heat blasting, got the windshield wiper on, ready to go. And this thing is just like taking off the defrost. Woo, son, just like being in your vehicle, in your normal everyday truck. You go out here, you ride around, see what's going on the property, see what all that storm, or all that rain and stuff last night. Four-wheel drive. Going to see. That's the great thing about this. See the boys, you got all their ruts out here. Woo, man, yeah. I can be in my regular clothes. I ain't got to worry about being cold or wet. Man, this thing is where it's at. This thing will spoil you. Got a winch, built-in winch control in case you need it. We shouldn't need that today, I hope. But it's there if we do. The boys got to rut it up down here. Old shop build's been going on forever. Sooner or later that'll be finished and we'll give y'all a video of that thing one day. Man, it's nice riding in this thing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Woo, gotta get skinny. Definitely gotta get skinny. Going to put it in sport mode here. Give us a little more throttle. I can't get over how capable this thing is. Oh yeah, God, look at all the rain, water. Oh yeah. Take the throttle down a little bit. Control how much it gives you. If you've never rode around in one of these things, you are missing out. I mean, just think about your everyday vehicle and you're just out cruising the trails in it. I mean, look at this. Got power windows, you need to roll the window down. Look, it's already getting hot up in here. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. And this button right here, you can control how the throttle is. So standard's just normal. If you want comfort, it gives it, it takes some of the RPMs away, and sport gives it where it revs out the most and the throttle's just really responsive. Just cruising around like this, I like to stay on standard. But yeah, man, this thing's just like riding in your car out here. You can check your property if you got, just say you had a bunch of cows or farm animals or whatever, chicken houses, you didn't want to get in your truck, you just hop in this thing and be going, be good to go. I mean, it's pretty crazy how capable it is. The good thing about this little two-seater is it fits a lot better places than that four-seater we had, which I did like the four-seater a lot. It was, you can pile the whole family in it. And you can even clean the windshield, look at that. Oh yeah. The best part is, you literally could be in flip-flops, shorts, and a t-shirt and be perfectly fine. runs pretty good for Xpedition. And they make turbo kits for these things now, so that would be rowdy. A little spicy up in here, man. This thing, it definitely will run you out if you let it. All right, guys, we'll show y'all what this 2026 Xpedition can do. You got the hill climb that the boys are always climbing on their Razor. They didn't think this thing could do it, so I'm gonna show them how to do it.
I split back to too.
Another good thing about this Xpedition is come down here and feed the deer. Look at that. Perfect. That backup camera got me right where I needed to be. Now if I can just get this thing off. Oh man. That's what makes these things so great. All whatever. Deer have been eating a lot of corn lately, so we only have one bag left. We'll have to do them for a little while. This thing's not only for work, it's for play too. Go across this ditch right here and show y'all what it'll do.
Oh, that does not look bad on camera.
Got it done on the 30s.
Whoa, you gassed?
I was gassing it. Got heat in here so you can be warm in the winter. Got air conditioning so you can be cold in the
Got the
summer.
hard one.
Alright guys, I just want to show y'all, even though the Xpedition is not really made for this, I just want to show you that it is capable of doing pretty good stuff off-road, okay? This is some of the hills at our property. They don't really look that steep on video, but they're pretty good. The boys like to play on them. Anyway, that just gives you a little taste of what this thing can do. You can go climb the hills with it, and it actually feels pretty stable to be as nimble and little as it is. But anyway, appreciate you guys. Remember, subscribe, Mad Ram 11. If you're in the market, I highly suggest it. You won't be disappointed.